God is turning the table in your favor. Hi there, kumusta ka? Maraming pagkakataon talaga sa buhay natin na feeling natin hindi tayo pinapaboran ng pagkakataon. At mostly, ang nararanasan natin, challenges, disappointments, rejections, puro setbacks. But here's the truth. God is turning the table in your favor. And it all begins with the words that you speak. Sabi nga dun sa Proverbs 18:21, death and life are in the power of the tongue. Your words have power. So kung dinedeclare mo palagi na, wala na to, hindi na to, wala na akong pag-asa, hindi na to, yun talaga yung mangyayari sa'yo. But when you start declaring God's promises over your life, you are inviting His blessings to come to any area sa buhay natin. Ano ba yung mga promises ni Lord sa atin? My plans for you is to prosper you and not to harm you, but to give you a future full of hope. Promise din niya sa atin that we can do all things through Jesus Christ who strengthens us. At sa mga pagkakataon na feeling natin, mag-isa lang tayo, sabi rin ni Lord, I am with you. I will never leave you nor forsake you. At sa mga panahon na feeling natin ang hirap-hirap, imposible na ang mga bagay-bagay. Sinabi din ni Lord kay Abraham at saka kay Sarah dati nung hindi sila naniniwala na magkakaanak pa sila. I am the God. Is there anything too hard for me? 'Di ba napaka-comforting ng mga pangako na 'yon at kung talagang pangahawakan lang natin, magiging positibo ang pananaw natin sa buhay. Hindi siya madali, pero hindi rin naman magiging kawalan kung susubukan natin. Dumating rin ako talaga sa point na puro negative yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. But then sabi ko sa Lord, pagod na ako and I wanna make it right with you, my God. And I started with declaring good things over my life, over my family, over my house. At every morning, tuwing gigising ako, I always declare, today is a better day. Today is a great day. I am blessed and I am highly favored. Opportunities are coming my way. Hindi lang yun dahil sa pagiging positive thinker. It's all about activating God's promises sa buhay mo. Madaling mag-focus sa mga negative. Madaling mag-focus sa kung ano yung wala sa atin. Pero wala na nga tayo, marami na ngang kulang, magde-declare pa tayo ng negative. Wala rin namang mawawala kung sa kabila ng lahat magiging positibo pa rin tayo. Pipiliin pa rin nating maniwala that something good is still going to happen. I want you to know that God is not limited with your situation. He can work things out for your good. Tuwing dinideclare natin yung favor ni God sa buhay natin every single day, para bang binubuksan natin yung daan para si God kumilos sa buhay natin. Bubukas yung mga pinto na walang pwedeng magsara, sino man, kasi si God yung nagbukas nun. So today, start speaking favor. Start speaking life. Start speaking hope and victory over your life and your family's lives in your career. God is turning the tables in your favor. Your best days are still ahead of you. Expect great things from God. Kapit lang tayo, dasal pa, may ginagawa ang Diyos.